So let's look at the learning path in this course. Now, I do realize that you want to just go straight and start getting into the programming part and building apps. I totally get that, so I'm going to make this real quick. Now, in this course, I divided everything in two parts, main two parts. So the first part is the Dart programming. So this is where you learn the basics, fundamentals, and intermediate Dart programming language. Now, if you already know Dart or you've had experience programming before, then you could skip this part. And the next part is, of course, the Flutter app development. Now, the Flutter app development, this is the core of this entire course. So this is where we build Flutter applications, so apps that will run on iOS and Android. Now, here's my advice. I'd rather you go through Dart programming language, even if you already know programming or you've done a little bit of Dart. The reason why is because this will allow you to have the fundamentals of the Dart programming language itself. Okay, so when in doubt, just go through the Dart programming language before you move on to Flutter app development. But again, you have the choice, of course, to skip the Dart programming language part altogether. That is indeed your choice. All right, without any further ado, I'll let you be. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next videos.